Hi everyone, I hope you're all having an awesome day. Today I've got a Shein haul to share with you guys. My youngest daughter ordered a few bits for my birthday off of Shein. So I'm going to share what I've got in this haul. So first of all is these cute bows. I've been wanting some bow dies. Yeah, this is my first time actually, I think, for me getting stuff off Shein. The girls order off Shein quite a lot, and I think my son's ordered some bits off Shein before, but I have never ordered anything for myself. I've paid for things off Shein, but I've never actually ordered anything for myself off there. So yeah, my daughter surprised me with some bits off there for my birthday. This is quite a good set. It comes with, I don't know the prices of everything, so I do apologise. It doesn't state on here, so I don't even know like the shops either to link them in the description. But yeah, you get all these different bows, and I just thought they'd be quite good to add to different projects. I like the different styles. That's different. And then that one, yeah, and that's quite a nice big one, that one, and that one. So you get quite a lot in that set. Then I saw some like lemon kind of themed bits on there. I've got some lemon earrings and charms and things, and I saw these papers. I thought these were really nice for like summer projects. They're not the thickest of card, but it's a 6x6 pad, and you get 12 different designs, 2 sheets of each design in now, but they're not bad. You get that one, that style, that style. That's very similar, isn't it? Slightly different colour. Yeah, I'm really pleased with those. To go with that, I did get some stickers as well. Let's see if I can find. Oh, here's the stickers. I thought these would go quite well. Like lemon kind of themed images, macaroons there. So I just thought they'd be quite nice. Where's the lemon ice cream to add to a project? So yeah, I got those. Keeping on the lemon theme is I've got these earrings. I really like the, oh, okay, I did not realise, that's a bit strange, isn't it? One's, maybe that's how you wear them, I don't know. One's longer than the other and slightly different, I'd say. That's more, that's sort of like a lemony kind of thing, and then it's got a green one, so maybe this is lime, I'm not sure. But it's a bit weird that they've come up, one's short and one's long. Maybe that's just the style. I reckon what I'm going to do, because it's got the same actually, apart from that's yellow and that's like a greeny colour. But if I just take this middle piece out, then they'll be the same length. If I take that middle piece out and add it. Yeah, I just thought they'd be quite nice for the summer. Sorry guys, can you see that it's got a long bar on this one and not on that one? Maybe they forgot to put it on, or maybe that's just how the style. I'm not sure. I'll have to go back on and see when, yeah, I ordered it. But I can just remove this bar piece out and then it'd be the same length. I thought it would be quite nice to wear summer. We're going on holiday. I thought it'd be quite nice, a bit different kind of earrings to wear in the evening and that. So yeah, so I've got those. Then I've got these strawberry charms. And you get, does it stay on here when you get? I think it's 10 in here. It's quite nice. Oh, they've got like a flat back on it. Again, I thought they'd be quite nice to make into earrings and add to projects. Yeah, they feel nice, those. Good quality. So you get 10 of those. Then saw these and I thought these were so cool to add to different projects. And they're like the Crocs, they're charms. I thought it was so cool. You get 6 in now, and they're all different colours. They've got little bits on them. Yeah, I really like the colours of these. Are like pastel kind of colours. So I'm really pleased with those. I might actually order some more of those. They're really good. Then picked up some of these. I like to use these on like mascara and when I do my eyebrows as well. And you get 50 in a pack of these, so they last me for ages. So I've got a pack of those. Then got this. It's hand sanitizer, but to be honest, because I've got it off Shein, I most probably won't use the liquid in it, because obviously I don't know how that's going to be on my hands. Don't really state what ingredients is in it. I mainly got it because it had this little thing and the silicone thingy on it. I couldn't find any on Amazon, and I thought that was perfect to take away and I can hang it on my bag. But I'm just hoping I can empty and refill. So that's my plan, is to empty, because obviously I don't know what liquid in, how it's going to be on our skin. I don't really want to use that. But yeah, that comes off. Hold on guys, let's just see if I can. Oh yeah. Okay, so that bit popped out. Ah yes. Yeah, so that all comes off. That I can just pull out, and then I can empty that and refill it with one that I've bought in the shop over here. And then yeah, it just I don't want to, yeah, just fits back in. Yeah, and then I can use it. So that's perfect. That's what I actually bought it because obviously I wanted the container. I couldn't see him in any shops over here, these, and I just thought it'd be perfect to take away with us. And I can hang it on my bag. Yeah. I might actually get another one because they're handy to leave in the car and things like that. So yeah, that's perfect, what I wanted it for. So I got that. Then found these charms on there. They're kind of like, some are gold and some are pink and gold, but I think they're like really like random things. So you've got hearts, flowers, is that like a feather, music note, cross, star, little Eiffel Tower. Really pretty, but loads of different, a little cloud. Oh, you got skeleton there for like Halloween. So yeah, really random. Don't even know what that is. No, I have no clue what that is. I think there might be some doubles. Like that flower's the same. Starfish. Yeah, really pretty. I thought that was really good. to add to charms and things. So that was that one. Then saw these again, keeping on the summer themed. These ice creams, these are so cool. They actually feel nice as well. Yeah, these are really nice. So you get 4 different colours. Oh no, you only got one of these ones. So I got 2 like chocolate ones, 3 yellows, 3 lilacs, 1 pink and 1 like a mint green in there. So they're lovely. I just got a mixed bag, so that's what I got in mine. I think you can choose just like one colour if you wanted it, like Pacific colour. So that was those. Then got this little die, little bee die. I thought it'd be lovely to add to some projects, even like using those papers. Thought they'd go really nicely. So got that one. Then got these, keeping on the lemon theme, these charms. I think you got 20 or was it 30 in here? Yeah, 20. 20 lemons, and they come with like little leaves on them. And they're little charms. Really cute to add to projects. Then got these bows. These are like flat bows. You get 2 different colours, so you get a lighter pink and a darker pink. I think, oh no, they're slightly different. I was just seeing if there's different ones. So you get, okay, so you get those 2 styles, and in those 2 colours. Really pretty. I thought adding accents to when I colour up images and stuff, I can put like bows in their hair and just add into different projects. So you, in this bag you get no, sorry guys, I can't tell you because it doesn't state, but there's quite a few in there. On some of the bags it kind of states how many's in there, and then other bags it doesn't. So the last couple of bits, I thought this, I'm just going to move these out of the way. I thought these would be great to use for Christmas. This is what I've got it in mind for. Obviously you can use them on other projects, but for me I was thinking Christmas in mind. And these little plastic bags, I think I got 30. Let me just have a look, it says on the bag. Yeah, 30. They did have, you know, you could order up to 50 if you wanted 50, but yeah, I got 30. And they're just these little, they've got like a popper there, plastic, quite nice size. Got like plastic handles. I thought they'd be quite nice to give out little gifts at Christmas. I could alter them maybe, or like on the front do like yeah, stick sort of crafts or something on there, or I could add a charm to the bag if I wanted to. And they just press close and open. Yeah, so I've got loads to play with. So I thought they'd be quite nice to give out at Christmas time, or to send out Happy Mail, little Happy Mail. You could send that out in that. You could decorate the front and back. You could add different treats in there. Yeah, I thought it'd be really nice. I mean, you don't have to use it for Christmas. You could do birthday. You could do whatever, you know, whatever you want with them. for any occasion. And then the last thing I picked up was for my holiday. I've seen loads of people haul these before, and I just wanted one for the plane, and obviously it's for snacks, for the mainly the little one, for him to have snacks in on the plane. I just thought it'd be quite nice to put it in there. He knows where they all are. You get I went for white. They had loads of different ones. You could get it pink, blue, green, red. Yeah, loads of different like background zip and all that, like this at the edges came in different colours. I think there was other ones that said other things on it, like ones for like hair, makeup, that sort of thing. But I just went with the snacks one for now, just to see how, yeah, the zips are, how it is. Feels like quite strong plastic. Yeah, and like I said, it comes with this. You can obviously attach this to the zip. And I just thought that'd be quite nice to put all these snacks in on the plane. You could even, if you didn't have snacks, you could have like ones for toys on the plane, like things to keep the kids entertained, that sort of thing. Yeah, so I've got that, and that's it, guys. That's all I have to share with you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you in my next one. Take care, guys. Bye.